Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can allow monthly timesheet submits for your projects on Wrike. So let us guide you through this. So guys, for this method, navigate to your Wrike account, log into it and click into your profile icon in the top left. Next, choose Settings. Inside your account settings, guys, what you want to do is here under Account Management to the left, click into Time Tracking. Here you will see your timesheet settings per work, and also the enabled timesheet approvals here. So make sure that these are enabled. So what you want to do is scroll down, and here you may customize the timesheet submission rules per week, but also enable or allow your project members, for example, to submit timesheets on a monthly basis and not per week. As you can see, one field is mandatory, so you can allow both or only one of these, but there must be one at least selected so that these timesheets then may be submitted by the given person per week or per month. And you can also require exact hours here or flexible hours, but it's totally up to you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.